Landing your dream job starts way before the interview. It begins with a killer resume cover letter. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to craft a compelling resume cover letter using Microsoft Word, so you can make a stellar first impression. First, open Microsoft Word and select a blank document or a professional cover letter template. Templates can save you tons of time with formatting. At the top, insert your name, address, phone number, and email. Next, add the date, followed by the recipient's name, their title, company name, and address, ensuring you're targeting the specific hiring manager if possible. Now, the opening paragraph is crucial. Address the hiring manager by name if you can, stating the specific position you're applying for and where you saw the job posting, immediately grabbing their attention. In the body paragraphs, highlight your relevant skills and experiences that align with the job description, providing specific examples of your achievements and quantifying them whenever possible to showcase your value. Tailor each cover letter to the specific job, emphasizing the skills and experience most relevant to that role. In your closing paragraph, reiterate your interest in the position, briefly summarize why you are a good fit, and thank them for their time and consideration. Provide a call to action, stating you look forward to hearing from them soon. End with a professional closing like "sincerely," followed by your typed name, and leave space above your name for your signature if submitting a hard copy. Finally, proofread your cover letter carefully for any errors in grammar or spelling, and ensure the formatting is consistent and professional. A polished cover letter shows attention to detail and professionalism, and that's it. You've now created a compelling resume cover letter using Microsoft Word that's ready to impress potential employers. Good luck with your job search.